Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL WP20 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and the switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. As you can see, after that, my switcher and all of those features are gray. That means that Autofill is disabled. But you can always enable it by tapping on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!